Hello guys, today we are cutting cereal because we are gonna eat cereal ngayong hapon with gatas and the sukal, and we have water and spoons, and the cutter is taking a freaking break right now. Okay, give me it. Now we are gonna pour it in here. Okay. Okay, pretty good. Okay,
Tapos
no,
ano?
guys.
Ano pa?
And we are gonna get water.
Dito. Kiss ko kumar. Dito ga. Dito.
Pakibuksan nga, Raven.
Yeah.
Dali ha. Pakibuksan. Huwag ka sumigaw.
Aha!
Dali, Raven, kayo mo yun. Ikaw mag-video. Para sa akin ha, para sa akin.